Good morning, students, and welcome to today's class. How are you all? And I hope you all are fine. You all are great. And now, once again, welcome back to our English class. And as you all know, that yesterday we have been doing our chapter, The Happy Prince. That is chapter number 5 by Oscar Wilde from your book. The name of the book is what? Moments. Okay. So this is a very interesting story, and I know that curiosity has been build up since last 2 days as the chapter is little lengthy एंड हम लोग बहुत अच्छे से उसको कर रहे हैं, तो हर रेगुलरली एक क्यूरियोसिटी बनी हुई है कि अब नेक्स्ट क्या होगा इस चैप्टर में. सो इसी को आज क्यूरियोसिटी, आई होप टुडे द क्यूरियोसिटी विल गेट ओवर बिकॉज आई थिंक टुडे द चैप्टर इज गोइंग टू गेट ओवर. सो सी, नाउ इन यस्टरडेज क्लास वी हैव फिनिश्ड बाय दिस पेज, बट टुडे नाउ जब भी हम स्टार्ट करते हैं तो हम थोड़ा सा पहले से वापस ले लेते हैं टू मेक द थिंग्स मोर क्लियर. सो अभी हम इसको जब वापस से स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं, सो वी आर डूइंग from this page number 32, the highlighted line you can see, I have come to bid you goodbye. वहां से हम आज स्टार्ट करेंगे. एंड बिफोर दैट कहाँ हमने चैप्टर को फिनिश किया था कल. सो द थिंग इज कि वो जो सेकंड एक पर्सन था ना, एक प्लेराइट था, उसके गैरेट में जाके जो हमारी स्वॉलो थी वो एक सफायर दे करके आई थी. ठीक है, उसके गैरेट में जाके वो क्या दे के आई थी? सफायर दे के आई थी, जस्ट टू हेल्प दैट मैन to exchange that sapphire in place of money, and with that money that person is going to buy firewood and food for himself, and he is going to happily complete his play and everything is going to get better in his life. So now आज उसके पास है. So by after doing this work, so जो हमारी bird थी, it again flew back to the happy prince and said, I have come to bid you goodbye, he cried. अब swallow वहां पे आई और उसने बोला कि मैं आपसे goodbye बोलने के लिए आई हूँ happy prince, because I have done the work as you have commanded me and now I am going back. Swallow, swallow, little swallow, said the prince, will you not stay with me one night longer? Now he says, swallow, swallow, little swallow. Prince ने कहा, क्या तुम मेरे साथ एक और रात यहाँ नहीं रुकोगी? It's winter, answered the swallow, and the snow will soon be here. In Egypt, the sun is warm on the green palm trees and the crocodile lie in the mud and look lazily about them. Now he says that it is winter. Winters and you all know. Swallow ने आंसर किया. And snow जो है, it will soon be here, और बहुत जल्दी ही snowfall हो जाएगी यहाँ पे in Egypt, and the sun is warm. Sun बहुत warm है on the green palm trees, and crocodiles lie in the mud and look lazily about them, and the crocodiles are just lying down in the mud and वो बहुत ही lazily उनकी तरफ देख रहे हैं. In the square below, said the happy prince, there stands a little match girl. और happy prince ने क्या बोला? In the square below, वो जो square area था, that जो चौक वगैरह होते हैं ना, मैंने आपको कल बताया था, जो हम बोलेंगे कि जैसे चौराहा हो गया या चौक वाला एरिया हो गया, वो वहां पे. So there said the happy prince, उन्होंने बोला, there stands a little match girl, एक छोटी सी बच्ची खड़ी है, selling matchsticks, match boxes, and she has let her matches fall in the gutter, and उससे उसके जितने भी matches थे ना, सारे gutter में गिर गए, and they are all spoiled, वो सारे के सारे क्या हो गए हैं? Spoiled. Now her father will beat her if she does not bring home some money. Now her father is going to beat her. अगर वो पैसे नहीं लेकर आती है ना कुछ, तो फादर इज डेफिनेटली गोइंग टू बीट हर, एंड शी इज क्राइंग, और इसलिए वो रो रही है. शी हैज नो शूज और स्टॉकिंग्स, उनके पास कोई शूज नहीं है उस बच्ची के पास में, नाइदर शी हैज सम स्टॉकिंग्स, एंड हर लिटिल हेड इज बेयर, छोटा सा हेड है, दैट इज आल्सो बेयर इन सच विंटर, दैट इज उसके कोई स्कार्फ, सैश, कोई हम बोलेंगे कैप, कुछ भी नहीं पहना उसने. Pluck out my other eye and give it to her, and her father will not beat her. Now happy prince says, do one thing, pluck out my other eye, मेरी दूसरी आई भी निकाल लो और जाके किसको देके आ जाओ? उस बच्ची को देके आ जाओ, and her father will not beat her, और उसके पापा उसको मारेंगे नहीं, because वो घर पे जब कुछ लेके जाएगी, then her father is not going to beat her. Okay. Now I will stay, अब ये सुनने के बाद में, I will stay you with you one night longer, said the swallow, but I cannot pluck out your eye, you will be quite blind then. Now he says कि ओके, मैं आपके साथ एक रात और रुक तो जाऊंगी. स्वलो ने कहा, जाऊंगा, बट मैं आपकी आई को प्लक नहीं करने वाला, बिकॉज इफ आई प्लक योर आई देन इट्स गोइंग टू मेक यू क्वाइट ब्लाइंड, आप बिल्कुल ब्लाइंड हो जाओगे. So swallow, swallow, little swallow, said the prince, do as I command you. उन्होंने बोला swallow swallow little swallow, you need not argue with me, do as I command you. जो मैं तुम्हें कमांड कर रहा हूँ ना, तुम बस वही काम करो. So he plucked out the other eye and darted out with it. He swooped past the match girl and slipped the jewel into the palm of her hand. So उन्होंने pluck out कर दिया क्या चीज, the other eye of the prince, and just darted out with it. And when the girl was crying, the little match girl was crying, तो उसके पास से निकले and just slipped the jewel into the palm of her hand. What a lovely bit of glass, cried the little girl, and she ran home laughing. Now उन्होंने बोला what a lovely bit of glass, कितना प्यारा है ये glass piece. अब बच्ची को तो ये glass ही लग रहा था, but actually it was not glass, it was a rare sapphire. And she ran home laughing, और वो घर पे बहुत खुश होती गई. The swallow came back to the prince. You are blind now, he said, so I will stay with you always. Now जब swallow वहां पे आई तो swallow said what? Swallow ने कहा कि you know that swallow ने बोला now you are quite blind, तुम बिल्कुल blind हो चुके हो. Then swallow वहां आई and said that you are now blind and so I will stay with you always, तो मैं आपके साथ हमेशा यही रहूंगी. No little swallow, said the poor prince, you must go away to Egypt. उसने बोला no little swallow, poor prince ने कहा you must go away to Egypt, तुम्हें इजिप्ट चले जाना चाहिए, चली जाओ. No, I will stay with you always, said the swallow, and he slept at the prince's feet. And then she says, no, I am going to stay with you always, swallow ने कहा, and he slept at the prince's feet. और वो वहीं पे वो प्रिंस का जो स्टैचू था ना, उसके फीट्स पे वो जो बर्ड थी swallow, वो सो गई. All the next day he sat on the prince's shoulder and told him stories of what he had seen in the strange land. And all the next day, the swallow was continuously sitting where? On the shoulder of the prince. And she used to tell him, the bird used to tell him the stories that what he had seen in the strange lands. उसने strange land में क्या-क्या देखा है. So you can see यहाँ पे एक picture आप देख रहे हो ना, ये happy prince है, there are no eyes, without eyes. अब ये एक swallow उनके shoulder पे बैठी है. ठीक है? Now this swallow is continuously telling him everything, whatever he sees. So, dear little swallow, said the prince, you tell me of marvelous things, but more marvelous than anything is the suffering of men and women. There is no mystery so great as misery. Fly over my city, little swallow, and tell me what you see there. Now further ये क्या बोल रहे हैं, you know? अब हमारे हैप्पी प्रिंस ने कहा, dear little swallow, you know one thing. तुमने मुझे बहुत marvelous चीजें बताई हैं. You have told me about so many marvelous things around. But इन सबसे ज्यादा marvelous पता क्या है? Is the suffering of the men and women. Because इनकी great misery से बड़ी कोई भी mystery नहीं है. So please do one thing, fly over the city, little swallow, and tell me what you see there. What you see that my people are suffering from what? जो मेरे सिटी के people हैं वो क्या सफर कर रहे हैं? How are they living? Are they facing any problem? तो ऐसा कुछ भी है तो please do let me know. Okay, so further उन्होंने क्या बोला? So just tell me what you see there. So the swallow flew over the great city and saw the rich making merry in their beautiful houses while the beggars were sitting at the gates. He flew into dark lanes and saw the white faces of starving children looking out listlessly at the black streets. Under the archway of a bridge, two little boys were lying in each other's arms to try and keep themselves warm. How hungry we are, they said. You must not lie here, shouted the watchman, and they wandered out into the rain. Now, so the swallow, so जो swallow थी ना, it just what? So the swallow flew over the great city. वो great city के ऊपर fly करके चली गई and saw the rich making merry. और उन्होंने देखा कि जो rich people थे, they were just making merry. वो खुश हो रहे थे, happiness celebrate कर रहे थे. बेगर्स वर सिटिंग एट द गेट, और बेगर्स कहाँ बैठे थे? गेटों पे बैठे थे. किस लिए? ताकि उनको कुछ ना कुछ बेग करके उनको कुछ ना कुछ मिल जाए. Now he flew into the dark lanes, वो dark lanes, that is narrow lanes of that city, वो वहां भी fly किया उसने swallow ने. And what he saw the white faces of starving children. वो मतलब जो हम बोलते हैं ना रंग उड़े हुए जो चेहरे होते हैं, white faces of who? Of the starving children, जो देख रहे थे बिल्कुल listlessly at the black स्ट्रीट्स। वो ब्लैक स्ट्रीट में एकदम लिस्टलेसली, मतलब उन बच्चों के पास ना कुछ करने के लिए था, ना उनकी लाइफ में कोई चार्म था, ना उनकी लाइफ में कोई एक्साइटमेंट था। अंडर द आर्चवे ऑफ अ ब्रिज, two little boys were lying in each other's arms to try and keep themselves warm. And now further क्या हुआ, आगे जब वो थोड़ा सा मूव किया तो उन्होंने उसने बर्ड ने देखा कि एक आर्चवे था, वहां पे एक ब्रिज था, और उस ब्रिज के पास में देयर वर टू लिटिल बॉयज जो एक दूसरे के हाथ में हाथ डाल के हगिंग ईच अदर, दे वर जस्ट स्लीपिंग, जस्ट टू व्हाट, ट्राई एंड कीप देमसेल्व्स वार्म. Yes. Okay. So now again they saw those two boys hugging each other just to keep themselves warm, and they are saying that how hungry we are, कितनी भूख लगी है ना हमें. They said, उन्होंने कहा, you must not lie here. Shouted the watchman. अब watchman क्या बोल रहा है, यहाँ मत लेटो, यहाँ मत रुको, तुम लोग चले जाओ यहाँ से. And they wandered out into the rain. बेचारे वहाँ किसी shelter में थे. And now what they have to do, following the orders of the watchman, now they have to wander out into the rain. Then he flew back and told the prince what he had seen. और फिर वो वहां से they just flew back and उन्होंने प्रिंस को बताया कि बर्ड ने कि उसने क्या क्या देखा. I am covered with fine gold, said the prince. Now prince ने क्या बोला, okay, do one thing, I am fully covered with fine gold. You must take it off. तुम इस गोल्ड को निकाल लो मेरी बॉडी से, leaf by leaf, just take it out, leaf by leaf, and give it to the poor. और जहां भी कोई poor दिखता है ना, just go and give that leaf, gold leaf, to that poor person. The living always think that gold can make them happy. अब living people हमेशा सोचते हैं कि उनके पास अगर gold है तो gold can make them happy. So just take this gold from here and go and give it to the poor people so they can also have happiness in their life. Leaf after leaf of fine gold and swallow picked off till the prince looked quite dull and grey. Now leaf after leaf was just picked off. कब तक, till the happy prince looked quite dull, जब तक कि हमारे happy prince एकदम dull नहीं लगने लगे, and grey, dull and grey. So leaf after leaf of the fine gold he brought to the poor, and the children's face grew rosier. Now leaf after leaf वो लेकर के आए for the poor, and बच्चों के जो faces थे ना, they just grew rosier. वो बच्चों के चेहरे खुशी से एकदम, they were blushing, just red. And they laughed and played in the street, and they were just laughing and playing in the street. And we have bread now, they cried. उन्होंने बोला अब हमारे पास खाने के लिए खाना है. They were happily crying this. Crying means वो चिल्ला चिल्ला के, they were just expressing their happiness like this. So then the swallow came, and after the snow came the frost. And then the snow came, and after the snow क्या आया, frost. The street looks as if they were made of silver. अब इतना snow से सब कुछ silvery white. It was seen कि जैसे कि ये street है ना, पूरी किस चीज की बन गई है, silver की. Everybody went about in furs, and the little boy wore scarlet cap and skated on the ice. Now everybody went out in the furs. हर कोई पूरा furry dress पहन के गया, and the little boys, they were wearing the scarlet caps and they skated on the ice. The poor little swallow grew colder and colder, but he would not leave the prince. अब वो वहां पे बिना किसी वार्मथ के बैठे बैठे, वो बेचारी जो छोटी सी लिटिल स्वॉलो थी, was getting colder and colder, but was determined in the decision that he is not going to leave the prince because he loved him too well, because उसे बहुत प्यार करता था. He picked up crumbs outside the baker's door when the baker was not looking. So this swallow used to go to the baker's we can say baker's house or baker's shop. So वहां पे outside the door कुछ crumbs पड़े होते थे, and when the baker is just not looking at there, तो वो वहां से उन crumbs को उठा के फटाफट वो bird ले आता है and try to keep himself warm by flapping his wings. तो उससे तो वो अपना पेट भर लेता है, and by flapping the wings तो वो अपने आप को warm रखने की कोशिश करता. But at last he knew that he was going to die. He had just enough strength to fly up to the prince's shoulder once more. Goodbye, dear prince, he murmured. Will you let me kiss your hand? Now. But at last, वो जानते थे, he knew that he was going to die, that he is going to die. So he had just enough strength, उसमें इतनी enough strength थी to fly up to the prince's shoulder, कि वो prince के shoulder तक जा सके once more, एक बार फिर. Say goodbye, dear prince, he murmured. उसने बहुत धीरे से, एक normal सी, बहुत slow whispering sound में उसने बोला, goodbye, dear prince, and will you let me kiss your hand? So will you please allow me and let me kiss your hand because as I am going. तो उसने ऐसा उसको बोला. I am glad that you are going to Egypt at last. So उसने प्रिंस ने सोचा that the person is going to Egypt, कि वो वापस कहाँ जा रहा है, at last going to Egypt. But said little swallow, उसने बोला I am very happy that you are going to Egypt. Said the prince, you have stayed too longer here, but you must kiss me on the lips for I love you. So he says, उसने क्या बोला, you have stayed too long here, तो बहुत ज्यादा समय यहाँ रुक गए हो, but now you must kiss me on the lips, just kiss me on the lips for I love you a lot, and then you can go. But now the swallow answered something. What did the swallow said? Swallow said, it's not to Egypt that I am going. मैं इजिप्ट नहीं जा रहा हूँ. I am going to the house of death. Rather, I am going to the house of death. And death is the brother of the sleep, is he not? And death क्या है? Brother of sleep. क्या नहीं है क्या? Sleep and death भाई बहन ही होते हैं, ठीक है? So उसने यही रिस्पॉन्स उसको दिया. And he kissed the happy prince on the lips and fell down dead at his feet. And then the swallow just kissed the happy prince on the lips and fell down dead at his feet. और वहीं पे वो just fell dead. कहाँ पे? वही happy prince के feet पे. At that moment, a curious crack sounded inside the statue, as if something had broken. And the fact is that the laden heart had snapped right into the tube. And it certainly was a dreadfully hard frost. So at that moment, what happened? A curious crack, it sounded inside the statue, जैसे कि something had been broken. And the fact is that the laden heart had snapped right into, and the laden heart जो है, it had snapped, it has cracked right into two parts, and it certainly was a dreadful hard frost. And वो certainly क्या था? It was a dreadful hard frost. Early the next morning, the mayor was walking in the square below in the company with a town councillor. As they passed the column, he looked up at the statue. Dear me, how shabby the happy prince looks, he said. Now he says, early the next morning, now the mayor was walking. Mayor समझते हो, जो आपकी सिटी के एक तरह से जो हेड होते हैं, उसको हम मेयर बोलते हैं. So the mayor was just on a walk. मेयर किस पे थे? एक वॉक पे थे around the city. And वो वहां पे जब वो वहां से जा रहे थे, तो they were just passing in the square and below in the company with the town councillor, and along with him who was there, उनके town councillor भी थे. As they passed the column, he looked up at the statue. जैसे ही वो उस कॉलम के पास से गए, उन्होंने स्टेचू की तरफ ऊपर देखा. Dear me, how shabby the happy prince looks. उन्होंने बोला, oh dear me, ये happy prince कितना shabby लग रहा है. He said, उसने बोला, how shabby indeed. उसने बोला, सच में ये तो बहुत ही shabby, बहुत ही भद्दा लग रहा है. Cried the town councillor. अब town councillor ने भी यही बोली. उनकी आदत थी, जो उनके मेयर बोलते थे, he used to repeat the same thing. Who always agreed with the mayor, and they went up to look at it. उन्होंने वो हमेशा मेयर के साथ एग्री करते थे, and they just went up, and वो वहां पे उसको देखने के लिए गए. Look at it. The ruby has fallen out of his sword. उसकी sword में से रूबी गिर चुका है. His eyes are gone. और जो उनकी eyes थी वो भी चली गई हैं. And is golden no longer, and he is no longer golden. Said the mayor. मेयर ने कहा, In fact, he is a little better than a beggar. उन्होंने बोला, ये तो बस भिखारी से थोड़ा बहुत ही कुछ बेटर है. इसकी हालत तो बिल्कुल भिखारियों जैसी हो रही है. Little better than a beggar, said the town councillor. Now, town councillor was in a habit just to repeat the same thing. उनको वापस से वही चीजें बोलने की आदत थी. So उन्होंने क्या बोला? And yes, you are very true. आप बिल्कुल सही बात कह रहे हो. A little better than a beggar, said the town councillor. And here is actually a dead bird at his feet. Continued the mayor. और mayor ने बोला, and here actually ये रही एक dead bird at his feet, उनके पैरों में. Continued the mayor. And we must really issue a proclamation that birds are not. And उन्होंने बोला, and हमें क्या करना चाहिए? एक proclamation issue करनी चाहिए. जब उन्होंने बोला ना कि सर यहाँ पे इस स्टैचू के पास में एक bird भी है, that bird is a dead bird. So he says we must really issue a proclamation. हमें एक announcement करनी चाहिए that birds are not be allowed to die here. That birds are not allowed to come and die here near the statue or on the statue, at the feet of the statue or on the column on which the statue is standing. And the town clerk made a note of suggestion. अब ऐसा कह के town clerk ने एक note of suggestion बना दिया. So they pulled down the statue of Happy Prince, as he is no longer beautiful, he is no longer useful. तो उन्होंने क्या किया, दे जस्ट पुल डाउन द स्टैचू ऑफ द हैप्पी प्रिंस, उन्होंने हैप्पी प्रिंस के स्टैचू को दे जस्ट पुल्ड इट डाउन, एंड एज ही इज नो लॉन्गर ब्यूटीफुल, और क्योंकि अभी वो और ब्यूटीफुल नहीं है, ही इज नो लॉन्गर यूजफुल, वो और लॉन्गर यूजफुल भी नहीं है। सेड द आर्ट प्रोफेसर एट द यूनिवर्सिटी, अब यूनिवर्सिटी में जो आर्ट प्रोफेसर थे उन्होंने ये बात कही। देन दे मेल्टेड द स्टैचू इन अ फर्नेस, फिर उन्होंने उस स्टैचू को फर्नेस में मेल्ट कर लिया। व्हाट अ स्ट्रेंज थिंग, उन्होंने बोला कितनी अजीब चीज है, सेड द ओवरसियर ऑफ द वर्कमैन एट द फाउंड्री, जो किसने बोली ये बात, उन्होंने बोला बहुत अजीब चीज है, ये जो ओवरसियर थे ना ऑफ द वर्कमैन एट द फाउंड्री, उन्होंने बोला दिस ब्रोकन लीड हार्ट विल नॉट मेल्ट इन द फर्नेस, ये जो ब्रोकन लीड का बना हुआ हार्ट है ना, इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू मेल्ट इन द फर्नेस, वो फर्नेस में मेल्ट नहीं होगा। एंड वी मस्ट थ्रो इट अवे, एंड दैट इज व्हाई हमें क्या करना है, वी नीड टू थ्रो इट अवे। सो दे जस्ट थ्रू इट ऑन द डस्ट हीप वेयर द डेड स्वॉलो वाज आल्सो लाइंग, तो उन्होंने उस लीड हार्ट को लिया और उस डस्ट हीप के ऊपर फेंक दिया जहां पे ऑलरेडी द डेड स्वॉलो वाज लाइंग। नाउ अब एक इस ये तो खत्म। नाउ आफ्टर दैट एक्सट्रैक्ट एक चीज आ रही है, दैट ब्रिंग मी द टू मोस्ट प्रेशियस थिंग्स इन द सिटी, सेड गॉड to one of his angels. Now God ने अपने एक एंजल से कहा that bring me the two most precious things in the city. And the angel brought him the laden heart and a dead bird. और वो जो एंजल थे ना, वो उनके लिए क्या लेके गए, laden heart and a dead bird. You have rightly chosen, said God. अब God ने कहा तुमने बिल्कुल right चीज चूज की है. For in my garden of paradise, क्योंकि मेरा जो garden of paradise है ना, this little bird shall sing forever. ये जो little bird, it's going to sing forevermore. And in my city of gold, the happy prince shall praise me. And in my city of gold, ये जो happy prince है, is going to praise me, shall praise me. ये happy prince हमेशा मुझे praise करेंगे. So these are the reasons. जो उनको ये question भी आ जाता है that where what did the God ask the swallow, the angel to do? तो उसमें बोला जाता है that bring me the two most precious things in the world. So angel क्या लेके जाते हैं, angel लेके जाते हैं laden heart and a dead bird. So is it rightly chosen? Yes. How can you say? Because God says that you have rightly chosen it, because in my garden of paradise this little bird shall sing forevermore, and in my city of gold the happy prince shall praise me. So it's beautifully written by Oscar Wilde. So it's an amazing story by Oscar Wilde जिसको पढ़ के हमें बहुत ही मजा आया. Right? So now when we come to the point that why the name Happy Prince came. So he was a prince, and when he used to stay in the palace, so you know palace के अंदर मिजरी ना तो दिखाई देती है ना palace के अंदर मिजरी की एंट्री होती है. So all the courtiers जो थे, they used to call the prince the Happy Prince because he was always happy, and when he was alive he was very happy. He did not know what sorrow is because he lived in comfort in the palace. Okay, now how it converted to sadness and sorrow, that is when now he is dead, he is set high on a pedestal in the form of a statue, and standing at a higher position he can see the ugliness and the misery of the city, so he is not happy. He could see the pitiable conditions of the poor. So now this happy prince decided that he is going to help so many people with all the precious things that he has. And what are the precious things that he has are the ruby and the sapphires. So वो जो ruby थी वो उन्होंने किसको दिया, उन्होंने seamstress को दिया. The seamstress was very poor and the son was suffering with fever, but she was so poor that she cannot manage the oranges the child was asking the mother to bring, and neither she could get the son treated. So the ruby was given to that seamstress. Then there was a playwright, फिर एक playwright थे who was not able to finish the play that he was writing because it was too cold to sit and write, and he was not even having the money to buy the firewood, and also he was not having food, and that is why he was almost fainted. So the sapphire was given to him so that he can exchange it in the we can say in the place of money, and he can continue with his work and be happy again. And the third, he held a match girl, was a little match girl who has by mistake thrown all the matches in the gutter, and if she goes back home without money, her father is going to beat her. That is why she was crying. So another sapphire was given to that girl. Okay, so it's given to that girl, so that, and she was very happy. She was saying what a rare type of glass it is, so beautiful, so precious glass, and she's laughing and very happy, taking it back home. And after all this, when the swallow decides that she's not good, the swallow is not going to leave the happy prince alone. So happy prince says that, okay, then do one thing, go fly about the city and tell me what people need and how the people are living. So the swallow came and told him that most of the people, some are enjoying and most of the people are in sorrow, वो बहुत दुखी and they are suffering miseries. So the happy prince asked the swallow that जैसे कि तुम पहले वो मेरी तीनों precious gems दे करके आई हो ना, do one thing, leaf by leaf take out all the gold and go and give it to the poor, because gold for the humans has always been the reason of happiness, a reason of richness. So just go and give it to the poor so they can also be happy. Okay, now after this, finally the bird, because of excess cold, the bird dies, and the happy prince जो थे was also now no more than a beggar, because कुछ भी precious उनके पास में बचा नहीं था. So a day a mayor and the town councillor came and they just gave an order that because this thing is looking very miserable and pathetic, so very shameful, we can say, for our city, it's a shame on our city, so just take it out, pull it down and burn it. So the dead bird was thrown on the dust heap, and जैसे ही उनके स्टैचू को बर्न किया गया, the thing जो burn हो गया वो तो बिल्कुल convert हो जाता है into ashes or dust, we can say. But there was a leaden heart which has been cracked into two parts. वो कब crack हुआ था? The time the swallow died. Because they both loved each other a lot. इनका heart to heart connection था, वो बहुत प्यार करते थे एक दूसरे को, very affectionate towards each other. So when the bird died, तो उसका heart जो था, it was broken into two parts. So when the statue was burned, only the leaden heart was left. It didn't get burned. So it was also taken up and thrown on the same dust heap close to the dead bird. So we can say कि जो दिल से connected होते हैं ना, देखो वो जीने के बाद और मरने के बाद सब साथ में होते हैं. So the same thing is there. So this was, we can say, the chapter. And then एक छोटा सा extract दिया गया है that one day the God asked the angel that go and bring two precious things, and the happy prince's laden heart and dead bird were the two precious things taken by the angel to the God. And God said that yes, you have rightly brought the things, तो बिल्कुल सही चीजें लेकर के आए हो, and it's rightly chosen. And God said that this little bird will sing forever in his garden of paradise, and happy prince is always going to praise him in the city of gold. They are precious because they are pure, they help the people and brought happiness to their lives. Okay, now it's clear to you all.